This is a short video with some examples from our topic 4.9 with percentages and fractions and percent. So this is page 223, converting percentages to fractions. I'm going to quickly go through some of the examples that we have here. So looking at the first one, express these percentages as fractions or mixed numbers in their simplest form. First one, A, 17 with the percent sign. Very simple. Here's the solution. 17% equals 17 over 100. Change the percent sign to a denominator of 100. So the bottom number is 100. That's what we're going for. Second one here, 36%. Well, change the percent sign to a denominator. That's easy enough. 36 over 100. Then we start looking at, can I simplify that? Well, yes. 4 goes into the top number, 36, and 4 goes into the bottom number, 100. 9 times 4, 25 times 4. Our 4's will cancel each other out, and we're left with 9 over 25 in the simplest form. Last one here, 140%. Now that sounds a bit odd. Alright, we end up with 140 over 100. Alright, we've changed the denominator to a sign of 100, or the percent sign to a denominator of 100. We then start simplifying, same as we've done before, and we can see that 20 will go into both. So 20 on the top and on the bottom, they'll cancel each other out. We're left with a 7 over 5. 7 over 5. That's an improper fraction, so we just change that to a mixed number. Right, so some simple things there. In your book they may look like this. Example 26, 17%. We change the percent sign to something over 100. It was 17. There it is, that's the first part done. But the next one was, let me just check it, 36%. So 36%, well that does change to 36 over 100. Then they're setting things out to say, what do they both have in common, top and bottom? The 4, 9 times 4, 25 times 4 will cancel each other out. We are left with 9 over 25. And their last one that they did with 140. Quickly having a look at some other little examples that they have. Sorry, here. Converting to percentages through equivalent fractions. So using this basic fraction and then changing that to a percent. So we're looking for things with a denominator of 100. So this first one looks pretty easy, already has 100 underneath. This next one has 25, so we'll need to change that. This moves us to page 224, and here's their solution. 5 over 100, change the 100 to the percent sign and you've got it. 5, done. The second one, 11 over 25, to change the 25 to 100, I have to times by 4, so I do the same thing on the top, becomes 44 on 100, that is now 44%. Alright, so those sort of things we'll be practicing as well. Changing simple fractions into percents. How do we get them to have 100 underneath as the denominator? Okay, so nice simple ones there. More of those to practice.